Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Happy Sunday. So I thought today I will just take you along my Sunday at home during MCO 2.0. And yes, so we did church service in the morning. Usually we watch like church service in the evening, but since we were all like we were awake like earlier in the morning, we thought that yeah, maybe we can finish church in the morning. And it's actually quite nice, like, you know, with church service done, now I can actually start my day. So I do have a bit of cleaning to do today, a bit of organization here and there, and then in the evening I want to do like a mask. Yeah, and I also need to like film for Instagram. I have got a skincare video to do. Maybe I'll show you like behind the scenes of how I film and edit. And yeah, that's about my Sunday in MCO 2.0. I think it's day 19 now, which is so crazy. Last year started like this and this year is also like this, but it's fine, you know, we're just going with the flow. So I'm gonna go and clean the kitchen first. I got a bit of cleaning in the kitchen to do. I need to put some clothes to wash and then maybe make some breakfast brunch. Yeah, let's go. Look at all the babies. So cute. Eat away, my baby. Okay guys, so it's already 4 p.m. I do not know how the time is just running away from me. After food, I sort of have been just binge watching Grey's Anatomy, and I've been replying some emails on the phone, and yeah, that's what I was talking to my mom for quite a bit. And yeah, so now I think I need to like clean the hall. I need to sweep, mop, dust, wipe, you know, the whole shebang. So I thought I'll just take you guys along. It's yet another quiet Sunday, MCO Sunday. Like, what else can you do during MCO besides like cook, eat, clean, film content and all that stuff? That's exactly what I've been doing. So yeah, so I think let's go and do that, and then we'll see how the evening goes. I need to film the XSY skincare video. I need to do that for today evening's Instagram video, so I'll do that, and then maybe just bathe and change and see what's for dinner. I do not know what I want to have for dinner. We've been cooking most of the time this week, so I'm thinking I want to order something today, but I do not know what to order. Like, I'm not feeling pizza, I'm not feeling like fast food. I do not know. We'll see. For now, let's just clean everything first. guys, okay, so I actually just changed back into my morning baju. I changed earlier when I was going to clean because sometimes the solution, if they like kena the clothes, it might like leave stains, so that's why I changed. I'm actually filming my skincare video for Instagram, so I thought I'll just put on a mask now and then we can do the hair oil in the night. I'm just gonna chill for a bit. I need to wash this off in about 20 minutes. I'm using the mugwort pore cleansing mask from XSY. I'll show you guys in a while. I am just watching some new girl and just chilling. So it's about 6 I think now, 5:45, yeah, and I need to figure out like what to have for dinner. I don't know yet. So
actually I'm going to be remolding the line.
So I just washed off my face. Can you guys see? My skin is so refreshed and so clean. Like this is a pore clarifying one, so I use this one, the mugwort pore clarifying wash off pack. So they've got like little beans inside that you can use to exfoliate, and I have been using the XSY dark spot correcting glow serum for the past 14 days. I just posted my review on Instagram. If you're interested, go and watch. It did definitely fade like my pimple marks here, so I'm waiting for it to like fade a bit more, especially sorry, it's a bit noisy, especially like hyperpigmentation around my mouth area. So yes, so this is done, Instagram video done. I'm going to edit it now. And dinner, I'm still thinking like what to have for dinner. I don't know what I have for dinner. I will update you guys. Okay, so for dinner we ordered sati sore. It looks like this. Ta-da-da! So excited. And we are watching the Avengers.
Not for men like you.
Okay, so finally it's bedtime. That was actually my skincare routine, a very short one, something more simplified, because today we did a lot of masks, right? So I try not to overdo the skincare, especially on days where I'm using a mask. It can be a bit harsh on the skin, so I will tone down the products in the night. And my face looks like a tad bit like white because of the Garnier night cream. So if you're wondering like why I look weird, it's actually the Garnier night cream. I think it's called the yogurt cream, the vitamin C one. I'm honestly obsessed with it, like, because I think that cream has this way of making my skin super smooth in the morning. So like textures and all, like really is so effective. But again, I've heard like with Garnier, like it works for some people and it really doesn't work for some people. So you just have to see whether you are in the gang that it works or if it doesn't work. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me for today's vlog. I know it was a tad bit boring, you know, like just cleaning and yeah, just cleaning basically. But since with MCO, like there's nothing much to do. Like I think on my day-to-day life, I spend a lot of time filming content for Instagram, for TikTok, for YouTube, and then the other half of the time I'm editing stuff or taking pictures. So yeah, there's a lot of like behind the scenes that maybe I can show you guys, like maybe a day in a life, like a proper working day, like what I do. Maybe we can do that like the next round. Also, do let me know down below like if you like vlogs. Honestly, I love watching vlogs, so that's why I like creating vlogs. But since with MCO there's not much content, I can give you, besides like me walking room to room and cleaning and doing all that stuff. Yeah, also removed all my nails because although it was like super pretty, but I think the gel polish, the gel that I got was, how do I explain this? You know, sometimes gel, if it doesn't cure properly inside, it's sticky, and because that gel was like not a clear gel, it was a colored one, so inside actually didn't like cure properly, so inside was actually soft. So I just removed it. I've ordered a clear tube. Once it's here, we can redo it again. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching until here. Don't forget to let me know down below if you do like vlogs, you want to continue watching them. I will definitely put more content out there, especially with vlogs. Like, I need to figure out some stuff. So thank you so much for watching until here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.